In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time off requests, approvals, and calendar management in Asana. This quick tutorial is perfect whether you're just getting started with Asana or looking to streamline your current processes. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by heading over to Asana. Once you're logged in, look towards your project section. You'll notice a plus sign next to your existing projects. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This action will prompt you to create something new within your workspace. Next, select New Project from the menu options. When you're creating a new project, Asana allows for various templates to choose from, but for our purpose, opt for a blank project. This will give you the most flexibility to set up your project exactly the way you need. Once you've chosen the blank project option, you'll have a choice to set it up using Asana's AI assistant, or you can continue with manual setup. If you choose to go with AI, you can click on Generate Preview. This feature is handy if you want a head start with some basic structure in place. However, feel free to proceed manually if you prefer to keep full control over the setup. After that, you'll want to click on the Create Project button. This is where the fun begins. Now that your project shell is ready, you can start adding tasks. Typically, each task could represent a time off request or any associated administrative task you need to manage. For each task, adding a due date is crucial. This helps you and your team stay on top of deadlines and ensures that approvals are processed in a timely manner. You can also assign team members to specific tasks, set priorities, and mark them as completed once done. This way, everyone remains clear on their roles and responsibilities. If you need more control, you can add custom fields to your project. Click on Add Field, and you can tailor your project to track additional information such as the reason for time off, approval status, or any notes from HR. By clicking on Details, you can further organize information. This is where you can create and view the field you just added. You can always include due dates directly from these details. Remember, Asana is great for adjusting plans on the fly, so don't hesitate to edit anything as needed to ensure everything aligns with your team's requirements. Once all the fields, tasks, and details are set, click Edit to make any last modifications necessary. This ensures your Asana project remains intuitive for the entire team, allowing for seamless management of time off requests and calendar events. And there you have it. With these steps, managing time off in Asana is straightforward, leaving you more time to focus on productive work. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!